Breadfruit a roast, so catch in the breadfruit a roast. Put the breadfruit out a door pan fire for roast. Happy Sunday everyone, big up on yourself. Long time I eat some roast breadfruit. So today Sunday, this is what I'm having for breakfast. Roast breadfruit. Yeah. Catch in, no? Catch in the breadfruit on the fire out a roast. Nice. Look at that. Look at that. Breadfruit a roast nice pan outside wood fire. Yeah. Breadfruit. Yeah, my breadfruit a roast, so I go eat it with maybe ackee and saltfish. Yeah. Yep. I'm telling you, roast and fry. Yeah. Roast and fry, roast and fry, roast and fry, roast and fry, roast and fry. Roast and fry, roast and fry, roast and fry, roast and fry. Roast and fry, roast and fry, roast and fry, roast and fry. Yeah? Yes guys, big up on yourself. My breadfruit is roasting nicely. Yeah? You don't want them burn up, you know? Don't want them burn up. You know, it's hard to turn the breadfruit when it up on the fire roast, you know. Not easy to turn it at all, especially when the fire ice so. I'm telling you. You know, mind sharp, you burn up yourself. Oh, boy. Glory. Hey. Oh. I have to spin it like that. A while ago, give it a big spin. Cause what? You don't want to burn up yourself at all. Don't want to get burned up. Oh. Yeah. I mean, I want my breadfruit to burn up either. Because I want it to eat. When it done roast, I go peel it nicely out of the skin and just fry it. Cut it up thin and fry it. Slice them thin and fry them. And you know, yeah, get them to eat for breakfast. You know, this would be nice with some salt mackerel rundown. Yeah.